the blowy up where you jump on is on. And welcome back to Callum Does Stuff. Today I'm with Thomas doing a video. And I'm gonna do my cow game.
Oh yeah.
Hi, I'm Thomas. This is my best friend, and I'm at his house.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna play Moo Moo Achoo. It's funny. It's funny. Moo the Chew. No, Thomas the Chew. Moo Moo the Chew. Not Moo the Chew. Oh yeah, and then now we have to fire her next time. Fire her. I just want us to go. Fire. I'm gonna fire. Thomas, you're going down. Right, I'm Sigma. No, Thomas, I have a noise. Yeah, why you're Sigma? There's poop, look. Oh, there's poop coming out of the bite. He loses here and go like this.
Okay, give me. Lose 2 clovers.
Oh.
Because that means that you made Moo Moo
Poop.
poop. And then a big sneeze and lots of put it on. Let's see.
I go first. I have to stand up. I got one clover.
Hold on.
What happened?
Okay, the bubbles work. Okay, so Callum drew a card.
He said moo.
Moo. Okay, so if Callum draws a dandelion, he pushes the head.
Okay, I'm gonna push. Oh God!
Okay, so now it's Thomas's turn.
I know.
Okay, flip it over. Do you have a dandelion?
Two.
Okay, so once for your dandelion.
2 times?
Yeah, no, just once.
Oh God! Puppy.
Okay.
My turn. Oh, I don't get one. Oh, I got one clover.
Okay. And you have a dandelion, so that means that you get to push.
You pooped.
You did it.
I got the poop.
Draw a card.
I get to lose 2 cards. I gotta poop. I gotta poop. Put it back in. I got 2 dandelions.
Nope, you only got one, so you push it once. Okay, you're fine. You get to keep.
Oh, I got one.
Okay.
1 dandelion. Look, see, I have 2 dandelions each. No!
We'll put that right there. All right, Thomas, you're up.
Okay. One more card. Oh, 1 dandelion. Oh,
Moo Moo went poo poo.
would you give me that? Oh.
It came out of his nose like a snot bubble. Bop.
Oh, I got 2 clovers. Oh, can I go? I didn't get this. Yes. 1 clover.
Okay, you're good. All right, Cal, you're up. Here. But he also poo-pooed. Oh! -2.
No.
Look, see? Now you and Thomas are tied. Well, almost.
Wait, I poo-poo.
Nice.
One, two. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go.
Look,
Good
you
job.
beat me a little. You beat me.
I like the bubbles. That's so fun. You guys want to play again?
Yeah. That's what we're gonna have for today. And like and subscribe, watch more videos, watch the next one with Thomas and Matthias.
And we're gonna
Because, and then we're gonna do a one.
do lightsaber fights.